Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a CLA front bumper. First, gather all your tools like a socket set, trim removal tools, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported with jack stands before you begin any work. Remember to disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, begin by removing the torque screws located within each front wheel arch liner, typically 3 to 4 screws per side. Then, open the hood and carefully unfasten the plastic clips or screws along the top edge of the bumper, usually around 6 to 8 fasteners. Finally, get under the car to remove any bolts securing the lower part of the bumper. With the main fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect any electrical components. Reach in and carefully detach the wiring connectors for your fog lights, if equipped. Also, release any parking sensor wiring harnesses or other electrical connections that might be attached to the bumper. Once everything is disconnected, gently pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle to release it from its side clips. Reinstalling your bumper is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the bumper onto its mounting points, ensuring all tabs and clips engage correctly. Reconnect all electrical components, like fog lights and sensors, before securing the main fasteners. Double-check that all screws and bolts are tightened to specification, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, test all lights and functions. Remember to check the description for the smart speaker link and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.